Today I want to show you a very easy and fast eco-friendly swap. These are our bamboo wet wipes. They come in white, blue and pink, and I'm going to show you how to prepare them to be used either on your baby bum, face or hands. And also, just a little trick, I use them for face cleaning and makeup removal, and they are so soft. So let's see what we have to do to get them ready to use. First of all, let's turn on the kettle and get some boiled water. Now I'm going to fold the wipes in just half, put them in a little box so they are ready to use. They can be alternate to be easier to take them out when we need to use them. So just in half, put them in. And now I'm going to pour some hot water in here. I even have left for a cup of tea. I'm going to add to my wipes and hot water a little bit of pure chamomile essential oil from Little Lamb. This has smooth and relaxing properties, is very gentle on the skin and smells really nicely. So just add a few drops. I'm gonna put a bit more. And now I'm going to fill up my little box up to the top because it's going to be for the whole week. The water is going to be absorbed by the wipes and you are going to have wet wipes during the entire week. If you need, just add a little bit more of water to make sure they're all covered and they can really soak in. I'm going to test now with a little bit of peanut butter. I've got some regular wet wipes, so I'm going to try to use just one. Oh, it's spreading out. It's a little bit on my finger now. Okay, I'm gonna need another one. Oh, Jesus Christ. It keeps spreading out. And now peanut butter and one of our bamboo wipes. Oh wow! All in one go, and no 30 fingers. This really works brilliant.